In this video, we're going to show you how to install the oil pressure switch on your Toyota Camry located on the top side of your engine. On the top side here, you want to go ahead and remove this electrical connector connected to the switch. You're going to press in on a little tab here and pull that connector off. Using a 27mm socket, you want to go ahead and loosen and remove this here. Going to take your new sensor. We put some thread sealant on here. You can use thread tape or liquid sealant. Always want to start these by hand. Make sure that you don't cross thread this into the engine. We're going to use our 15/16 socket to tighten this down. We want to tighten this to 8 foot-pounds. Go ahead and take your connector, line that up, and press that on. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.